Chapter 8. The Honest Woodcutter. Exercise. A. Tick the correct option. 1. Who was an honest man? A. Woodcutter. B. Farmer. C. Cobbler. Answer A. Woodcutter. 2. What fell in the river? A. Book. B. Leaf. C. Axe. Answer axe. 3. What of these was his axe? A. Golden. B. Silver. C. Iron. Answer C. Iron. 4. Who appeared before him? A. Goddess of rain. B. Goddess of earth. C. Goddess of river. Answer Goddess of river. B. Answer the following questions. 1. Was the woodcutter a rich or a poor man? Answer. The woodcutter was a poor man. 2. Which axe did the goddess bring first? Answer. Goddess brought the golden axe first. 3. Why did the woodcutter refuse to take the golden and silver axe? Answer. Woodcutter refused to take the golden and silver axe because those did not belong to him. 4. What kind of man was the woodcutter? Answer. The woodcutter was an honest man. Grammar zone. B. Match the words similar in sounds. Would buy. Sun new. Buy wood. New sun. Answer. Wood wood. Sun sun. Bye bye. New new. One who is called. 1. One who mends our shoes is called cobbler. 2. One who repairs our taps is called plumber. 3. One who makes furniture is called carpenter. Writing zone. A. Fill in the blanks. Words. Honesty. Happy. Reward. Honest. Axe. 1. The woodcutter is an honest man. 2. Hysaxis slipped and fell into the river. 3. The goddess was pleased with his honesty. 4. He got their ward off his honesty. 5. The woodcutter was very happy. B. Match the opposites. Poor dishonest. Honest in. Saddled. New rich. Out happy. Answers. poor rich, honest dishonest, sad happy, new old, out in,